And where and all we can use Python, or what are the different applications of Python? Python can be used as a traditional backend programming language, like the way we use Java. In the same way, you can use Python. Python can be used for database programming, graphical user interfaces. There are libraries like tkinter, GTK, Windows. Using that, we can develop a Windows kind of an application. And it is used extensively for system utilities. Most of the times, it's used by DevOps people who wanted to do some kind of a monitoring, server management, taking the backup, running, starting, stopping a server, and then running some of the code. So that is where the system is being used. It's extensively used in artificial intelligence, machine learning, image processing, and other than data sciences. Python is also used in embedded programming. That's like microcontrollers. So in microcontrollers, traditionally we were using C, C++. Nowadays, you can use Python in microcontrollers also. Those smart city kind of a projects also we can use Python. And it is extensively used in the data analytics. The way in which we have huge data and then we want to analyze the data, predict the future, then data Python is very good for that. So it's extensively used in weather forecasting, scientific analysis, targeted advertisements, and then the risk management, like the financial managements, asset management, fraud, detecting the fraud. So those areas Python can be used. Why Python is becoming very famous now? Why not earlier? Because the Python is dependent on the data. So nowadays you have huge data. Because of the explosion in the internet, we have a lot of data. And someone has to analyze the data. So in order to analyze the data, we should have the good computing power. Now, with the improvement in the hardware, we have really good computing power. So we have huge data, we have computing power. With that, lot of problems, real life problems is solved by using the Python. So that's what we say. New use cases of Python are the major growth drivers for increasing the demand in the Python. Availability of data, availability of very good computing power, and then the advanced algorithms and the libraries. So many libraries are developed to target a specific area, maybe for forecasting, maybe for scientific analysis, is machine learning. So there are many libraries being written and it is open source. So those libraries are available free. Libraries like Pandas, SciPy, PyDope, they're all being extensively used in scientific analysis or data analysis.